Hi everyone, Ashley here with Deery Motors in Maquoketa, Iowa. I wanted to show you this beautiful 2018 Ford Fusion SE. Has a 1.5 liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder engine, and it's got less than 30,000 miles. This does come, let me get it open here, with a backup camera, very well taken care of, and it does have cloth seats. Push start stop button, and look at that, 29,729 actual miles. Your center console, your USB port, center shift, and another USB. This is to turn the auto start-stop engine on and off. Like I said, very clean and very well kept. Let me know if you have any questions. I can be reached at 563-723-0079. Thank you.